Hey guys, it's Johnny.
Oh, this is Tracy.
You forgot your name? With RV SWAT. And today we're going to go over our top seven list because we have 7 weeks of gate guarding left.
Yay!
I'm starting to count down. I'm ready to go. I'm starting to count down the weeks. 7 more to go before vacation. So with 7 weeks of gate guarding left, we thought we would cover 7 RV essential must-haves. Now this is going to be strictly for the beginner just getting into your RV. What are the things you have to actually get out on the road, right?
Yes, you need an RV SWAT pillow.
Did they see the pillows?
I stuck them on the Facebook page.
Oh, they're on the Facebook page. RV SWAT pillows. So check out the link in the description. You get your RV SWAT gear, your pillows, your shirts and mugs,
leggings.
stickers, all kinds of merchandise now.
Stacy needs to get leggings.
Yeah, she does. Yeah. Also, I'll put a link in the description to the RV Essentials kit. So we're going to go over 7 of the essentials in the video today, but I have over 20 essential items in the kit on the Amazon items. So make sure you check the link in the description. Go check out all the essentials and see which ones you need to really get started. But because this is our 7 weeks left, we had to narrow it down. Would you stop? We had to narrow it down to 7 items, but by all means, go look at all 20-something items. I don't know what to do with her sometimes.
You can dress her up, but you can't take her out.
Can't take her nowheres. All right, we can get right into the list.
Sewer hose kit.
Number 1, what?
Sewer hose kit.
Sewer hose kit. So, unfortunately, these are the little things that a lot of people don't think about, but you have to have a sewer hose if you're gonna be in an RV. We recommend the sewer hose kit. Sewer hoses is one of those things that you get what you pay for. You can buy a cheap hose or you can buy an expensive hose. We learned the hard way. We started out with the free, we know what the RV dealership gave us, a free hose. Didn't take me but after one dumping to go out and buy a good Rhino hose. So I'll put a picture, there's a picture somewhere on here of the one that I recommend. But yeah, dumping, not our favorite thing to do, but get you some good equipment for it. What's the second thing? Number 2.
0G water hose.
Water hose. Now, any water hose will work. I recommend the 0G, like this one, or this one, or this one. One of these two. But 0G I like because it folds up real easy, it stores real easy, it's durable. Okay, number 3.
Leveling blocks.
Yes. Leveling blocks is one of those items, you just need to have on hand. You never know when you're going to need them. Our RV levels itself, but sometimes we've been in a couple situations where we had to drive up on leveling blocks and then put blocks underneath our stabilizers to get right. So definitely want leveling blocks. Number 4.
Water pressure regulator.
Must have. I'll put the one up here. This is the one that's in the kit. Remember, go check out the kit to see all the 20+ items. But this is the regulator I recommend. You never know what the pressure is at all these campgrounds that you go to around the country. Sometimes the pressure is 150 psi and higher. You do not want to run that type of psi going to your RV. It will bust pipes.
It'll be wet.
You don't want that situation. So please do not hook up to campground water without a pressure regulator. Very important. Number 5.
Right along lines with the pressure regulator is a water filter.
Water filter. Now I use the Camco water filter like this one. I use the Camco that I hook up outside just for my all-purpose. It's a very generic filter. They're cheap.
We will get an inline one though.
Yeah, but Berkey, which right here, the Berkey is what I would recommend for your drinking water. Next.
Surge protector.
Yes. Now I mentioned never hook up water in a campground without a pressure regulator. Never hook up electricity in a campground without a good surge protector. Now, everybody's going to have different opinions on surge protector. This is the one that I personally use. And the reason I use that one is because it's hardwired into the coach. You can get one like this, which is just as good as far as what it does, but that one just plugs in outside, and the problem with that is it's hard to control the theft with that. These things are $300-400 sometimes, and somebody can just come unplug it unless you have a good lock on it and just walk off with it. The one that I have is hardwired into a bay, into the wiring of the RV. Does the same thing, it's just you can't steal it. So that's why I chose that one, and it was very simple. It was very simple to install too. I mean, I installed it in 30 minutes maybe it took me to install it myself. So easy to install, well worth the money. So never plug into campground power without a good surge protector. It will save you a lot of headache and tons of money potentially, because it will notify you if there's any problem with the campground power whatsoever. And it will not pass the power to your coach. It'll block it right there, the surge protector. So that's a definite must. That would probably be, if I would put these in any kind of order, that would be my number one. If you can only buy one thing on this whole list, don't go camping without that one. All right, number 7.
Air compressor.
Air compressor. Now this is kind of up to you whether it's essential. We say it's an essential. We've had tire issues, so we like to have an air compressor.
We've had tire issues?
Not us.
Not us.
But this is the one that I have. Yes, it is an expensive air compressor, but it's very compact, very lightweight, but very powerful. It is strong enough to do your large RV coach tires, and it has enough power to do it, but yet it's lightweight and small at the same time, so it's well worth the money. All right, so that's our top 7 list. Now, originally, we were going to do top 7 job resources for work camping jobs. So as a bonus, what I'll do is I'll put those 7 resources in the description of this video. So it'll be 7 links to go to find work camping jobs. So there's a little bonus list for you this week.
Lanyap.
Lanyap. There you go. So I'll tell you what we'll do. Tracy just said lanyap. That's a Louisiana thing. So the first person to put in the comments below what lanyap means, we'll send you an RV SWAT sticker. See, here's our RV SWAT sticker. See, we got one stuck on our laptop. So we'll send you one of those. Let us know what lanyap means. First one to comment wins the sticker.
Yay!
Yay! All right, so that was our top 7 list. Like I said, there's a lot more essentials than 7. We just had to narrow it down because of 7 weeks left of gate guarding. But please click the link to the kit in the description. Go check out all the products we have in the kit for your RV essentials. Tune in next week. We will go over our top 6. We don't know what 6 is going to be yet, but we will do our top 6. And we have a lot more exciting news coming, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, like button, all that stuff.
Jingling the bell.
Yep, click the bell if you want notifications. Comment below any videos you want to see. And I think that's all. We will see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.